To know more on how the internet channels can be used as cash cows, we have Mr. Sachin Soni, Product Marketing, Akamai Technologies, who will enlighten us with his views on the topic, monetizing the internet channel, emerging business models and opportunities. Sir, may we please have you on stage?
Mr. Sachin Soni has been with Akamai Technologies since October 2007. His current responsibilities include product marketing for Akamai's global software delivery, CDN, and media business units. He is also responsible for managing marketing activities and around product launches, enabling sales, providing requisite sales and field support. Sir previously managed product marketing activities for Akamai's site business unit globally. He has also supported Akamai's field marketing and cooperating marketing initiatives in India. Sir holds a bachelor's degree in computer engineering, a certified bachelor's in European economics from Hochschule Bremen Institute of Applied Sciences, Germany, and has a master's in international business from Symbiosis, Pune. We welcome you, sir, to Communique 09. I request you, sir, to kindly preside over the session.
Firstly, on behalf of Akamai Technologies, I'd like to congratulate you on the successful event that you have conducted, and would like to thank you for having given us the opportunity to be present out here. So I know basically that this is the last session, and probably it's a long weekend ahead, so let me keep the session short, and let me keep it relatively generic. So let me start this session by posing two questions to the audience. How many of you out here have heard of Akamai Technologies and what we actually do? I must get back to my PR department. We are not doing a very good job around it, but I'm pretty sure we'll improve on it. So for most of you who actually don't know about us, for starters, there's a question that often comes to me. No, we are not a Japanese company. The name sounds Japanese, but we are not Japanese for sure. We are based out of Boston. And Hawaiian is the language which the word Akamai is derived from, so it means intelligence. So to tell you more about Akamai Technologies, we are the world's largest CDN, or content distribution network. We have over 62% of the market share in this particular industry, and we are growing by the day. So over 2,800 customers worldwide leverage Akamai to accelerate websites, to accelerate applications, to deliver media and streams, and to deliver software across the world. So we are like the market leaders currently in this particular industry, and we have actually a deployment of over 50,000 servers around the world, which is the largest in this sector. I'd like to pose a second question to the audience. How many of you are would-be entrepreneurs or see yourself as would-be entrepreneurs in the next 3 to 5 years? Or maybe 6, 7, 8. I think I knew the answer to this question, and that's why I chose the topic, monetizing the internet channel, the various emerging business opportunities and models. So the way I'm basically going to go about this presentation, I'll keep it brief, but the way I'm going to basically address it is first ask the preliminary question as to, hey, why the internet? What makes the internet so attractive to start a new business on? And then I'm going to talk to you about the various strategies based on my experience and based on our company's experience that's adapted across various segments and how these websites actually monetize their websites or use their websites as a means to earn revenue. But before I do that, it's also important for me to address and talk to you about how the web has evolved, how we have gone from being a Web 1.0 based environment to being in a Web 2.0 based environment, and now how today we are talking about a Web 3.0 environment. And the reason I say that it is so important is because as we have gone from 1.0 to 2.0 to 3.0, the business models have changed. The way in which business is done online has changed, and the various monetization strategies, the strategies used to earn or generate money through the web, has changed. So again, I'm going to talk about three main verticals here. A, mainly because of the shortage of time, and B, because these are the three main verticals that have most successfully today monetized their websites to generate revenue. And these are high-tech, commerce, and media and entertainment. I think it wouldn't be justified on my behalf if I just stop after talking about what was and what is. So I'm also going to talk to you about the emerging trends. What would the web likely to look like in a 3.0 environment? What kind of business models are likely to be adopted? What kind of opportunities exist for you people to start out ventures out there that could be the next big internet company? And of course, I'll turn off the presentation by talking about Akamai, why we are today a $800 million company catering to some of the biggest names in the industry, from Yahoo to Microsoft. We basically have everybody, BBC, CNN, all of them use Akamai in some way or the other. In fact, we actually transfer 20% of the total internet traffic on the world on our network. And I'll tell you the reason how and why Akamai is so important and why we fit into the big picture and why we are going to be a $1 billion company in the year to come by. So let's come back to the most elementary question. When I talk about the internet, why the internet? Why should you look at the internet to start a new business? I think I've basically listed out about 4 or 5 generic advantages. There are innumerable number of advantages. So if I start talking about them, we won't get through the session. So let me stick to the 5 basic advantages when you start a business that you probably got to look at. A, the internet provides you with global reach. So you can have a company out here in India. You can have a website out here in India and sell to a customer base out there in the US, in China, or any remote part of the world. So you have access to a global audience with minimal investment. That brings me to my second point about cost leadership. The cost involved in starting a business venture through the web is much lower than in case of any brick or mortar company. So when I talk about costs, I'm not talking about only initial cost of investment. I'm even talking about the total cost of the ownership, the cost of advertising, the cost of running the business, running the operations, your manpower, your HR. All that put together is relatively low, much lower in fact compared to brick and mortar companies. And of course, a second advantage of the internet is the cost of distribution. Most companies in the earlier years, even during the Web 1.0 era, used to distribute software or videos through CDs and DVDs. So how many websites are prevalent today that actually use this medium? Very few. Most of the top companies across the world, be it McAfee or be it Semantics, many of whom are our customers, today actually distribute content or their assets through the web. So you want to go there and download an antivirus software. You're not going to wait 7 days or 14 days for a shipment on a CD to come to you. You're going to go to the website, pay through your credit card, and then download the antivirus software onto your system. And that applies across the board. Media entertainment, videos. You're not going to buy and order for a video and wait for the video. You're going to get the video. You're going to download it from the web. So the cost involved in case of distribution is much less for the company because they don't have to spend on the CDs, the DVDs, getting it shipped across. The processes are more aligned and it's more inexpensive. Coming to the third point, the cost of inventory. The internet to a large extent is a response-based system. So you respond to a particular demand. So if you want a particular product or a service, you don't have to hold it in inventory. Based on the demand that comes in, you can procure the product or service and then deliver it across to the user. So there is no cost of inventory that is present, and that minimizes your risk in terms of owning a business venture. Of course, faster time to market. Whenever any company launches any new product, software, service, the key is getting to the market faster than your competition. And the internet actually enables you to do that. It gives you the fastest time to market to actually reach out to your target audience